Hi girls, my name is Katie Marie and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a makeup haul from my December advent calendar. I thought I would share with you girls what I've got and things like that because I love showing new makeup, and I haven't tried it all yet, but I will in the next few weeks. And then I can do like reviews and tutorials on it. But yeah, let's get right into the video. First makeup product I got in the advent calendar, light micro setting mist long lasting wear setting spray from e.l.f. and I'm super excited to try this. I love e.l.f. Makeup and products and skincare products, but yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I do love the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray from e.l.f. I used this today and I absolutely love it, so I'm super excited to try this new one out. So the next makeup product I have is the NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Setting Spray Matte Finish. It's just a mini setting spray to try out like a sample. But yeah, I'm super excited and I love the packaging. And I have used the Marshmallow Primer before and I absolutely loved it. So I'm looking forward to trying this Marshmallow Setting Spray. So the next makeup product I have is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and it's just a little sample. And I already have a big one of this, so I'm going to give this to my mom. I like the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, and I love the Power Grip Primer too. So I have the NYX Butter Gloss mini size of a mini, What else was in my advent calendar was this NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. This is in Cream Brulee. I've used the NYX Butter Glosses before and I absolutely adore them. So the next few things aren't makeup products, but I thought I would show them anyways. So here I have just the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Ultra Soft Cleansing Towelettes. And it's just a little mini size of this. I don't think I've tried these before, so I'm really looking forward to trying them and seeing if I like them, because I do like micellar water better to take off my makeup because it doesn't irritate my eyes as much. But yeah, I just got these in my advent calendar. I'm back. So the next product I got in my makeup advent calendar was this Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. I don't really use eye drops that much, but I'm definitely going to keep these like in my makeup or skincare collection just in case I need these in the future. So the last thing I have is the Sonia I don't know how to pronounce that. But I don't know what are these called, like a little powder brush. But I got one of these in my advent calendar. So that's all the things that I got in my makeup advent calendar, and I really hope you girls enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. It will mean so much to me. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye girls.